What's up guys, it's JC Tech and Finance here. Welcome back to my channel. I recently got the Sony A6400 and I wanted to take the opportunity to do an unboxing and a quick review. The Sony A6400 is a compact mirrorless interchangeable lens camera with an APS-C sensor. It was released in Q1 of 2019, so it's over 2 years old. More after this. Welcome back. So I got the A6400 with the 16 to 50 millimeter f3.5 to 5.6 kit lens. Okay, so in the box we have, let's see, some papers. We have a sweepstakes guide. We have the warranty. We have some accessory information. And we have a reference guide. And a startup guide. Once we go deeper into the box, let's see what we have. So in the box, we have a power adapter. We have a rechargeable battery pack. We have the eyepiece cup. We have the shoulder strap. And we have the micro USB cable. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it in the box, so I'll move the box to the side. So the kit lens comes attached. So my first inclination, okay, so my first opinion of this is that it feels a bit heavier than the iPhone, but of course it would. So the Sony A6400 is a compact 24 megapixel mirrorless interchangeable lens camera with an APS-C sensor. It uses the Bion Z processor that was used in the A9 line of cameras, and that comes with a bunch of features including a 425-point phase detection autofocus system with real-time tracking. The camera can seamlessly transition from subject tracking to face tracking to eye autofocus and all the way back again with just a half press of the shutter button. Regarding eye autofocus, you can select whether you want the left or right eye to be tracked. You can also select auto to have the camera choose for you. And one particular good feature for this camera is that it has 4K 30p video capture. It uses an E-mount system, so an A6400 has access to the entire Sony lens E-mount system. Some of the best lenses available include the Sigma Trio, the 16mm, 30mm, and 56mm. Additional features include the fact that it has picture profiles, which give you much more control over post-picture processing. It is weather sealed, and it has a tilting screen that can go 180 degrees up and 90 degrees down. So while the screen can tilt up by 180 degrees to allow for vlogging, keep in mind that the lack of in-body stabilization with the fact that any hot shoe mounted microphone will block almost all of the screen limits its vlogging potential. One other downside to this camera is that the touchscreen can only be used for autofocus. Additional features include it has an ISO range from 100 to 32,000. It has a 11 frame per second burst shooting, 8 frames per second with silent shutter. It has a mic input, but no headphone output. It can also do 410 shots per battery charge. Connectivity features include NFC, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You can connect the camera with your smart device using Sony's Imaging Edge mobile app. You can control the camera remotely and download JPEG images from the camera to your phone. The A6400 can also do proxy recordings. So if you have a slower PC or if you're having someone else edit your videos, you can send them the proxy files. You won't have to render those out from your 4K clips, which saves a little time. So it has a single card slot hidden in the battery compartment. It only uses UHS 1 card, which does mean that write times are on the slow side. Additional features include a micro HDMI port and a microphone port. Regarding the menu system, there are 2 custom buttons that can be assigned different functions. It organizes settings by colored tabs and headings. There's also a new customizable My Menu tab that can be populated with your most used items. A lot of people don't like the menu system and complain that the menu is illogically organized. Price-wise, the A6400 is available now for $899 body only, $999 with the 16 to 50mm power zoom kit lens, which is the model I have here, or $1299 with an 18 to 135 f3.5 to 5.6 zoom. Now, a review would not be complete without listing some of the things I did not like that much. So there is no image stabilization whatsoever. Any microphone installed in the hot shoe blocks the screen. The color science is a bit outdated compared to Sony's newer cameras such as the A7S III. And there can be rolling shutter artifacts if you're panning the camera while shooting. You may also find some banding under some types of artificial light or distortion of fast-moving objects. In closing, the A6400 is still a great all-round camera for the hobbyist, but in 2021, if you're looking for a camera that is supposed to be easy to use, you may want to wait for the Sony ZV-E10, which is rumored to have standard and active stabilization and a button for bokeh mode. If you enjoyed the video and want to be notified of future videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks everyone for watching. This is JC Tech and Finance signing out.